Do you like visiting museums? Listen to this story and learn how to use to be in tag questions for negative statements.
Hey Anne, you're not busy this weekend, are you?
Not really. I'm not doing anything on Saturday.
Great. Do you want to visit the museum in town on Saturday?
Yeah, that sounds fun. I heard it's a nice museum. And it isn't expensive, is it?
No, it's actually free.
So what are tag questions? Tag questions are short questions that we put at the end of a statement. We use tag questions when we want someone to confirm or agree with something that we think is true. In tag questions with to be in the simple present, we use is, are, or am plus the subject. It isn't cheap, is it? In tag questions with to be in the simple past, we use was or were plus the subject. You weren't on vacation last week, were you? When a statement is negative, its tag question is positive. He wasn't at work yesterday, was he? Here are more examples. It isn't raining, is it?
No, it isn't.
She wasn't at the concert, was she?
No, I don't think so.
Now it's your turn. Click pause and add a tag question to each of the following statements. This is American English. Thank you for watching.